Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple and so beautiful baby blanket. I want to show you two patterns with border and the main part. I like it very much. Both of them it's so easy. You can use that pattern and you can use different border, but I'm so excited to show this border to you. You know that stitch, this is star stitch, but I want to use them together. Hope you like it and you will try this pattern only repeating 2 rows repeat and this border 2. So simple. You if you know only single crochet, double crochet and half double crochet, you can make this beautiful blanket. I give all the details in the video. I use a middle size of yarn, size 3. I use 5mm hook on the main part and use 4mm hook on the border. You can use which type of yarn you want. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. I will use in my blanket middle thickness yarn. I think its size is 3 and I will use a 5mm hook here. We need multiples of 3 chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains. Not make so tight or so loosey. You need, if you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter. But if you want to make a throw or more bigger blanket, you need minimum 120 centimeters. Okay, I will make my chains after turn to you. I count them 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. I want to show you that pattern, so 24 is enough for me, but you will make your chains more. Then only one time add only one chain, so I have 25 chains. Then skip the very first stitch, insert your hook from the second one, grab your yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through 2, I have a single crochet. I will make single crochet in every each stitch. So at the end of that row I have totally 24 single crochet, like that. I complete. Okay, this is our first row. Now chain 3 and turn your work, count as the first double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook second stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make you second double crochet, yarn over, then insert your hook between of that 2 double crochet like that and grab your yarn, 1, yarn over, insert between of them, 2, yarn over, insert between of them, 3, yarn over, insert between of them, and 4. I make that 4 times, but if your yarn is more thinner than mine, you can make more grabbing your yarn. Okay, pull through all together, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, insert into the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next one and make 1 more double crochet, yarn over and do the same thing between of these 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through all together, yarn over, skip one stitch, insert into the second one and make a double crochet. Then make one more double crochet next stitch. After, like popcorn, like puff stitch, sorry, yarn over. The difference is you insert your hook between of these two double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all together, skip one, insert into the next one and make a double crochet. Then make one more double next stitch. Yarn over, insert my hook between of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all together, yarn over, skip one, insert into next one. Yarn over, insert into next one and make one more double. Between of them I insert here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together. Skip one, insert into next one. I complete this row like that. Skip one stitch, insert into the last one and finish the row with a double crochet like that. This is so easy. Chain one and turn your work. Then make your single crochets. Count as the first stitch this single crochet. Then this is 1. Insert into top of that puff. 2. Next one. 3. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Don't skip the stitches. Here I have 1, 2, 3. One stitch is before, one is top of on that puff. After I have here little stitch. Don't forget that. This is the repeat of the first row. We always repeat these two rows. Here, and don't forget it, this is the first stitch. I complete this third row. Then chain 3 and turn my work, repeat of that the second row. We do the same thing, count as the first double, yarn over, insert into the second one and make one more double, yarn over, then turn back these two double crochets between of here, make 1, 2, 3, 4, then pull through all together, then yarn over, skip one, insert into next one and make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into next one, make one more double. And look at them, they on the same line. Okay, be careful of that. One more time I will show you. Yarn over, turn back these two double crochets between area, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all together, yarn over, skip one, insert into next one, make a double, yarn over, make one more double next stitch. Like that. Complete this row, after make single crochet. After make this row. I will repeat that like it. Then I complete a sample here. I use two colors I want to show you. Now we will make a border on it. I start that sample 73 chains, and it's a sample, not a baby blanket, and I want to show you how much centimeter. It's 48 centimeter width, height is 50 centimeter, and I have you can see 24 blocks like that. Now we start to make a border on it. You can choose any of that corner. I will use on the border 4mm hook. First of all, make a slip knot. And I will insert my hook from any of that corner and join with a single crochet. Count as the first one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. This is first time. Then turn back and not insert your hook very first one. Start from the second one. 1, insert into the next one. 2, insert into the next one. 3, then insert your hook that bottom of that stitch. 4, then insert your hook. You can see here post and stitch, post and stitch. Okay, insert that post part, grab my yarn. I have 2, 4, 6 yarns. Pull through all together and locked with chain 1. Then insert my hook that center of that star. Grab my yarn. 1, insert into that bottom. 2, insert into next space. 3, insert into next space. 4, I have 5 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. I insert my hook. This is my first loop. Insert into the center. This is second one. Insert into the bottom. Third one. Insert into the next space. Fourth. Next here. 5. I have 5 loops. Pull through all together like a star stitch and chain 1. 1, bottom 2, this space 3, this space 4. I have total 5 loops. Pull through all together and lock with chain 1. 1, bottom 2, next 3 and 4. Pull through all together. Come to the corner, we make here a little different technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through all together, chain 1. I want to turn here easily. So 1, this time I insert this loop. 2, insert into the corner. 3. I have 4 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. And I want to turn here easily. So I want to make that one more time. So insert into the center, grab my yarn. Insert into that loop, grab my yarn. Insert into the bottom, grab my yarn. I have 4 loops. Pull through all together, chain 1. We turn here easily. This side it's so easy because we have loops. So insert into the center. This is first one. Insert into the bottom second, third and the fourth. I have 5 loops. Pull through all together, chain 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, chain 1. I come to the end of that. When you come to the corner, do the same thing. Complete this round and turn to you. I complete the corner, chain 1. I make here 2 like that, but this time not we will going to the clockwise, we will going to the anti-clockwise. Okay, chain 2, you make 1 chain, make 1 more chain and turn your work. Okay, yarn over and insert into that center, grab your yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together, then yarn over and always using your center space, insert into that center and make 2 half double crochet. 1, yarn over, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, skip here and come to the center space, 3 loops, pull through all together, pull through all together, yarn over, skip that, insert into the center, pull through and pull through. Look at that, we complete that stars. I come at the corner and turn to you and I will show you. I complete the round and come to the corner. You know, we start from the corner stitch with 2 half double crochet, and we want to turn here easily, so I insert my hook from the center of that stitch and make here 2 half double, 1 and 2. Then turning easily, I have a stitch here, only corners, we add here 2 more half double crochets. So on the corners we have 6 half double crochet. Okay, then insert into the first stitch and join with a slip stitch, chain 1, and I cut my yarn. You can see that border. You can make 2 or 3 rounds with that corner, but I will make only 1 round with that star stitch. I hope you like it. I cut my yarn and I will show you. You can see this tutorial. The pattern is so beautiful and so easy. This is so different, I think, on border. You can use different border, of course, with half double crochets, but I want to show you 2 different types of pattern. You can see the pink part here. This is the corner. You can see we make here little stars, 2 stars in 1 corner stitch, and make 2 half double, 1 stars center, then 2 half double middle of stitch, 2 stars, then make 2 half double on the second center. I hope you like this tutorial, like this pattern and like this border. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.